Why I personally like real estate investing, especially rental properties. Una, I am lazy. Yes, tapulan kay ko. I don't want to attend daily concerns. I don't want to attend daily transactions. Ikaduha, I want time freedom. I want to spend 90% of my time with my family. Ganahan ko nga wala ko'y laing hunahunaon. Ikatulo, I want passive income. Time will come nga dili na ko ingon ani kalagsik, at least I have still money to support my daily expenses or my daily needs. Ikaupat og pinakaimportante, lesser capitalizations. Kibaw ba ka in real estate, you don't need nga kinahanglan dako ka og kwarta. You just use the three options, the pag-ibig, the bank, and the in-house financing. Kung gamiton lang nimong tulo ka options diha nimo, you don't need bigger amount of money. Mabayran lang nimong equity, ika-turn over sa balay, you let the tenant pay for the monthly amortization and just get the profit. And that's the reason why I like real estate investment. Less hassle, less capitalization, and more time to my family.